Side bend on the ladder barrel. You're gonna start by walking the plank. So I'm gonna bring one foot to the back. My hip closest to the ladder is gonna be the foot that's in front. They're in a straight line. I'm gonna send that hip to the barrel. My hips are square, ribs and shoulders. Hands go behind the head, finding length through the crown of the head. Exhale, finding your side bend up and over, finding your lateral flexion. Inhale, exhale, inhale, find that length. Let's do 2 more. Not letting your client collapse, right? Think of going up and over the barrel instead of dumping into their spine. Last one, up and over using your obliques, internal, external. Find that length to dismount. Hands go on barrel and ladder. You step that front leg back and dismount with safety. That is our side bend on the ladder barrel.